Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Autopilot to Robinhood. First, let me go ahead and launch this up for you and show you what needs to be done. So we have launched this, and then what you need to do is click on Explore a Popular Portfolios, enter your phone number right here. Now go ahead and click on Continue. They're going to send you a verification code, okay? Go ahead and fill this in. And then click on Continue. Then you just need to enter your email address. Then click on Continue as well. Give your full name. There we go. And then, once we sign up, okay, we can click on Pick a Pilot. So we can pick from different portfolios here, right? So there's this one, a Pelosi tracker. And what you need to do once you select let's go ahead and skip notifications. So we're going to connect a broker now. Once you've picked, you come here, connect a broker, let's say Robinhood, then click on Continue, and then all you need to do is log in to your Robinhood account or create a brokerage account right through here. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution.